Agarré ahí, patrona.
Oh.
Agarré duro.
Oh, sí, está pesado. Está pesado. Yo no sabía que estaba
What,
tan...
is it?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Put it on.
A ver, claro, ahí, patrón, ¿cómo es que sí? Mételo ahí.
U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement have arrested a former New Mexico judge and his wife. This after federal law enforcement learned their tenant, an alleged Tren De Aragua gang member, was arrested at his home. Thank you for choosing KTSM 9 News at 6. I'm Andy Morgan. Monica has the night off. Now we're also learning other Venezuelan nationals were arrested and are in HSI custody. An ICE spokeswoman says the former judge, Joel Cano, and his wife Nancy Cano was taken into custody earlier today as part of an ongoing HSI-led criminal investigation. Now this was at a home on North Raymond Street in Las Cruces, New Mexico. As KTSM has reported, former Doña Ana County Magistrate Judge Joel Cano rented out his, quote, casita, or a small home behind their own home, to Christian Ortega Lopez. They met when his wife hired Ortega Lopez to install glass. The district attorney's office says Ortega Lopez was seen with multiple firearms in pictures that were posted on social media. The feds seized those firearms and arrested Ortega Lopez in February. He allegedly admitted to entering the country illegally in 2023. It's not known if the Canos knew of Ortega Lopez's alleged gang affiliation. Officials have not provided further details about the other two nationals that were arrested. This is a look at the house where agents actually made the arrest. You can see agent vehicles parked all around the neighborhood. Both the former judge and his wife are being charged with tampering with evidence and are now expected in court tomorrow.